Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to grow vegetables on your balcony. Pure organic, safe, no pesticides, easy to do. As you can see, I have a bag here. Already I'm growing Sukuma Wiki or kale. And then we have spinach here. Very safe. And vegetables, then you know where you've got them. This also cuts down on cost of going to buy vegetables in the market in Nairobi. And as you can see, I have small ones here growing. These are seedlings. I planted to replace on these holes that didn't do well, or they were growing very slowly, and I had to remove them. As you can see, I also have lemongrass, and I have rosemary here. And on top, I usually throw kitchen waste, anything that can be decomposed to organic. And these will be very fresh vegetables and delicious, soft. What we are getting in the market now, it's very complicated. They are so hard. Not sure what everybody is doing with their vegetables for them to become so hard. Might be pesticides and a lot of unethical farming. But with these, you can even grow tomatoes. You can grow Dania. And you know where you're picking your vegetables from. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.